How to use Now bar. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Here tap on Now bar. And first of all, we have to turn on Now bar. So make sure to turn on. Now tap on View More. And here make notifications for ongoing activities more visible. Live notifications will appear on the lock screen, on the status bar, and at the top of the notification panel. Okay, here I'm going to turning off all of these options, and first of all let's enable Samsung Health, and let's see how to work Samsung Health in Now bar. So after turning on, I'm just opening Samsung Health app, and here I'm selecting here running activities, and let's start running. 3, 2, 1. Once the running activity started, now I'm just locking my device and going to lock screen, and here we can see the running activities has added in this now brief bar. Now just tap on that, and here you can resume the activities. So to unlock my phone first of all. So here you can see, if you tap on this Now bar, then from here you can just pause the activities without you unlock your phone. You can resume the activities without unlocking your phone. Now I'm going to unlock my device and again going to my settings, and this time I'm going to turn on the clock for Now bar, and then I'm going to creating a new timer, for example. Okay, selecting a timer here, and let's start this timer. Once the activity started, I'm going to lock screen, and now here you can see the timer showing in my lock screen. And if you have multiple activities, you can just swipe to see your old or all activities, just like so. So this is my timer activity. From here I can pause or stop the timer, and this is my running activity on my health app. So that's how you can easily go ahead and add your apps or your live activities in your Now bar, and you can easily use or see your live activities without unlock your phone from your lock screen using the Now bar feature. That's it.